Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your one-stop channel for camera reviews, tech tips, and gear recommendations for all levels. In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 best beginner cameras in 2025, perfect for anyone just getting started with photography or content creation. Whether you're capturing your first photos, starting a YouTube channel, or diving into vlogging, these cameras offer the best mix of ease, performance, and value for new users. Direct Hit will cover key features, pros and cons, and what makes each camera a great choice for beginners in today's fast-moving tech world. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's help you pick the perfect beginner camera to kickstart your creative journey. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is a clear step forward for content creators, vloggers, and hybrid shooters. Building on the success of its predecessor, it brings a more powerful processor, improved autofocus, and refined color science, ensuring sharper images and more natural skin tones straight out of the camera. The upgraded 4K 60 frames per second video recording adds flexibility for smooth, cinematic footage, while the improved low-light performance makes it reliable in any shooting condition. Its fully articulating screen, dedicated product showcase mode, and intuitive menu system make it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for professionals. What truly sets the ZV-E10 Mark II apart is its focus on creator-centric features. The new AI-powered subject tracking is lightning fast, effortlessly locking onto faces and eyes, even when moving. Sony has also enhanced audio with a better built-in microphone system, reducing the need for external mics in casual setups. Paired with interchangeable lens support, USB streaming capability, and a compact, lightweight body, this camera is a versatile powerhouse for YouTubers, TikTok creators, and anyone who wants top-tier video quality without the bulk of a traditional DSLR. Number 2. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic choice for content creators, vloggers, and anyone stepping into the world of interchangeable lens cameras. Designed with creators in mind, it features a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor that delivers stunning image quality and impressive low-light performance. The fully articulating LCD screen makes it perfect for self-recording, while the advanced autofocus system, with real-time eye tracking, ensures your subject is always sharp. It also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion shots, giving creators plenty of flexibility in their projects. What makes the ZV-E10 stand out is its user-friendly design combined with professional-grade features. The dedicated background defocus button, clear audio from the built-in directional microphone, and lightweight body make it an ideal camera for on-the-go shooting. Plus, with Sony's wide range of E-mount lenses, you can easily upgrade your creative toolkit over time. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or shooting cinematic content, the Sony ZV-E10 offers excellent performance, portability, and creative freedom without overwhelming beginners. Number 1. Canon M50. The Canon EOS M50 is a versatile and compact mirrorless camera that delivers impressive performance for both photography and video. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digic 8 image processor, producing sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent detail. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system is fast and reliable, making it easy to capture moving subjects with precision. Its fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, selfies, or shooting from creative angles, while the lightweight body ensures it's easy to carry anywhere. For video creators, the M50 offers 4K recording, although with a noticeable crop, and smooth Full HD at 60 frames per second for crisp, fluid footage. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring photos and videos to your devices quick and effortless. While its battery life is modest and 4K performance has some limitations, the Canon M50 remains a great choice for beginners and intermediate users seeking a balance of portability, quality, and ease of use. It's an excellent option for travel, vlogging, and everyday content creation. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.